What's up, and welcome back to Shaking Not Slurring. Oh, there goes all of my little trinkets in the background, by the way. All right, cool. So today we will be making basically an Italian ice, but alcoholic. So we have I don't know if you can see this, what is this called? Luigi's Italian Ice, real, by the way. So it comes in 2 packs. The first flavor is cherry and lemon swirl, and the next flavor, which is the one we'll be using, blue raspberry and lemon swirl. Oh, that sound is very annoying. So we have our blue raspberry Italian swirl Italian ice, blue raspberry lemon swirl Italian ice. Cool. We have our sour mix, because you can't go anywhere without that. Of course, the Blue Curacao orange liqueur, and we have our blue raspberry vodka. And Svedka is actually super cheap, but when it mixes with everything, it's going to be great, I promise. And we will probably throw some more lemon because it already has lemon swirl, so let's swirl some more limons in it. So let's get started. All right, cool. So the first thing we want to kind of do is just to get this Italian ice out of this cup and into this fancy cup because it looks better for the video. So let's try to scoop this. I don't know if you guys know, but anytime I record, this is always like the first take. So like, these are real life reactions, and I'm actually going through it as we make the video. That's good. All right, cool. Great. So next, we want to take this Italian ice and make it alcoholic. So we have our blue raspberry Svedka Vodka. Let's do 2 ounces of that. And this glass is just so we can mix it all together. Let's do 2 ounces of sour mix. Cool. And finally, let's do 2 ounces of the Blue Curacao. And this is going to hopefully change the color to something super pretty. Wow, would you look at that? Perfectly blue. And this right here is all liquor. And we're going to kind of stir that. And if you'll notice, I didn't put ice in it, and that's only because this is literally frozen. So, like, why do we need ice? You just want to stir that in. Ooh, and I have these lying around, these Starbursts. Maybe I'll throw some Starbursts in it. I don't know. Cool. So we have our mixture. Let's take that out. Have our mixture done. And we are going to pour that over our Italian ice on camera. Look at that blue. That is a pretty blue. Perfectly blue. Let's taste this. It's great, and more importantly, it's alcoholic. Alcoholic Italian ice. There it is, folks. There it is. Thank you for joining. Let's throw a couple of these on it. What do you think? These are red. Nah, let's not. Let's not mess it up. Great. All right, guys. See you in the next video.